You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with linear inequalities with one unknown. The final result is x equal or greater than 1. Let's solve it step by step. Group all x terms on the left side of the inequality. Subtract 2x from both sides. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all constants on the right side of the inequality. Subtract 6 from both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the x. Divide both sides by -5. Whenever you multiply or divide by a negative, reverse the inequality sign. Cancel out the negatives. Simplify the fraction. Cancel out the negatives. Simplify the fraction. Plot the solution on a coordinate grid. And so the final result is x equal or greater than 1.